Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting the file ready and choosing where it will live. First, make sure the file name, size, and format are correct so recipients won't have issues. This saves time later. Once done, pick a storage option, cloud drive, a dedicated file service, or your web host, because each gives different link controls. Make sure you keep a local backup and set owner-level permissions before you create the share link so access is predictable. Next, you upload and generate the actual link. Upload the file, watch for completion, and then use the service's share or get link control. This is where you decide the link type. Choose view, edit, or comment depending on what recipients need to do. Also, adjust the scope, anyone with the link, specific people, or organization only, because that impacts security and convenience. Finally, copy the link and test it in a private browser window to confirm it behaves as you expect. To finish, you share the link and lock down access. Paste it into an email, chat, or project tool and state why you're sending it plus any expiry or action required. If the service supports expiration dates, passwords, or download limits, set them now to reduce risk. After sending, verify access with at least one recipient to confirm permissions. If anything goes wrong, revoke the link, adjust permissions, and resend.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.